In this video, I'm going to show you how to create high-converting AI video ads using HeyGen in just a few simple steps. It used to take thousands of dollars and days of editing to make professional product videos, but now you can generate complete, studio-quality ads in minutes, perfect for TikTok, Meta, and YouTube. Let's jump straight into it. First, head over to HeyGen AI and log into your account. On the dashboard, you'll see an option for AI Video Generator, or templates. If you're completely new, I recommend starting with a video ad template. HeyGen gives you pre-made layouts specifically designed for e-commerce, digital products, and promos. Just pick a template that matches your style. Next, tell the AI what you're selling by filling in the product description box. Include what the product is, the problem it solves, who it's for, its key benefits, and any special offers like 50% off today. The more details you provide, the better and more persuasive your final script will be. Now comes the fun part, picking your digital spokesperson. Click on the Avatar tab. HeyGen has hundreds of realistic AI actors to choose from. Filter through the library and pick someone who looks like your target audience. For example, if you're selling gym gear, pick a fit presenter in athletic wear. If you're selling professional software, pick someone in business attire. This makes your ad look authentic and relatable. Once you have your avatar, open voice settings to choose the perfect AI voice for your video. HeyGen offers hundreds of natural-sounding voices that you can filter by gender, accent, and tone. Preview each voice by clicking the play button, then select one that matches your brand's personality and message. Next, set how long you want your ad to run. You'll see a duration setting right inside the script window. For social media ads on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Shorts, 15 to 30 seconds is the sweet spot. Keeping it short and punchy grabs attention fast before people scroll away. Before adding visuals, choose the right video format based on where you will publish it. Use vertical 9:16 for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, or choose horizontal for YouTube videos, Facebook desktop ads, and website content. Selecting the correct size ensures your avatar and visuals fit perfectly without stretching or awkward framing. Now bring your product to life by uploading your visuals. Click Media Upload and add your product photos, video clips, logo, or high-quality backgrounds. HeyGen will automatically combine these visuals with your avatar, creating a professional-looking product video. Now double-check your settings, then click the Generate button in the top right corner to create your video. HeyGen's AI will combine your script, avatar lip sync, product visuals, and voiceover to produce a professional video automatically. The process usually takes only 1 to 3 minutes. Once rendering is complete, click play to review your video. You now have a fully animated AI video ad featuring a realistic presenter, natural voiceover, captions, and a clear call to action. If something needs improvement, you don't have to create the video again from the beginning. Simply open your video in HeyGen's editor and use the AI tools to make quick adjustments, such as changing text, improving audio, or updating visuals. If everything looks perfect, click Download to export your high-quality video and get your ad ready to launch. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple AI marketing tutorials and tools. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.